question we all want to know. Can I clear this laundry tub? It's been sitting for a while, and I broke my snake on it last time I tried. So first things first, this morning I'm trying to unclog this laundry tub sink. It's an old school, really thick concrete one, so they're super heavy. In retrospect, years ago, honestly should have cut it, put a clean out in at minimum, or scrap the whole thing and put a bigger drain pipe in it. But for now, it's clogged but slowly draining. I bought a new snake and I want to clear out the P-trap and then snake it. But first, we got to empty out all the water as much as we can with the bucket and then drain it from the P-trap and hopefully don't overflow the floor. Let's get into it. Let's see how this goes.
So as you can see, there's the P-trap and it's metal and it's not ideal. But yeah, we're going to undo that right there. And hopefully that unscrewing it there is the answer to our problems. Then we're going to snake it through there and be good to go.
First thing we got to do, no matter what, is empty this. So I'm going to take the buckets, try to get rid of as much water as we can on the buckets so that when I go down underneath, it doesn't overflow on the floor. I mean, it might, you never know. So start doing that and try to go. So in my days, I've done a few repairs where we've actually swapped out laundry tubs because from what I gather is, and somebody could argue the semantics in the comments, fine, go get bent, have some hobbies, but 1.25 inches is what the drain is right now, and at best 1.25 inches, and it should be more so like 1.5 inches or 2, hopefully. Usually 1.5 inches is what I've gathered, but that extra 1/4 inch goes a long way, especially when we're talking about lint and stuff and crap that might come off our clothes or might be in the drain line. So that's kind of what we're looking at right now. Also, whenever we do, or at least whenever I do anything in a basement, bare minimum, I like to make sure that I have a fan. So I have this fan here. It's not going now, but it was on earlier, and I want you guys to be able to hear what I'm saying and what we're doing. So it's off, but I always have that plugged in, and I always try to have a dehumidifier going as well. So I have those two going. Usually when I'm working and there's a lot wet always, especially in basements and older basements, it attracts moisture a bit more than usual. I like to have a fan and the dehu going all the time. Not a crazy fan, but just enough to circulate the air because it's, it can get pretty muggy, and you don't want to rot anything or cause mold and rot and just decay, right? So yeah, let's keep trucking. Hopefully we'll get to the fun part soon. All right, so I just have found finally in the back of my truck the one of the greatest $15 purchases I've made in a while, which is called the folding bucket, a 20-liter folding bucket. So it can go under any weird things and it fills up 20 liters. Because now at this point, if you notice, it's a bit difficult to get the bucket in, right? Like we're not getting much water. I can't quite get the bucket in. That's it's not much. So I'm gonna try the folding basket. It's time. So the bucket helped a little, but only like a little, maybe a couple liters. I'm gonna go underneath and slowly pop the bottom of the P-trap off, so it'll empty everything in here and maybe whatever was above it on the line. Not ideal, but I need it clear in order to snake it properly. So we'll see. Although I might try to just snake it now, and if I'm unsuccessful, then pull the P-trap. So, but because the other day I tried to pull the P-trap off, I pulled it off and just went water everywhere because there's too much in here, and yeah, I'd like to not repeat that. So let's see if the snake works. I actually ended up just buying a new one. I like it. I mean, it's a snake, so My other one broke. The question we all want to know, can I clear this laundry tub? It's been sitting for a while, and I broke my snake on it last time I tried. Can we get it done today? Ugh. Just gotta get rid of some of this stupid packing tape. Oh, just cut it with a knife. Thanks, genius. Or I could use my teeth. Let's see how this thing works. Nothing. Probably barely getting in the trap. Might be time. I'll put it on the drill. Alright. I'm gonna try it on the drill and see if the drill works. Whatever. Alright. Oh, it's going. Hit something. Try again. Alright, let's give it a little. Yeah. Imagine it's just coiled in the other side. Oh, that'd be sick. No, we're good. So I can actually hear water running. So I don't know what we did. And it's actually draining a little bit, which is good news. Realistically, you want to be able to at least. Oh yeah, it's good. It's. Hey, that's what we want, baby. Perfectly clean, right to the bottom. Happy people, happy Glenn. Now, what do we got? Do we got anything? Nothing. I think honestly, there's just a lot of gunk. There's sometimes just a lot of gunk. More often than not, it just needs to be pushed through because usually it's just congealed at the end. So we got quite a bit in there. Beautiful new snake. Milwaukee drill just always doing what it does. Helping out the boys. Now I gotta tighten the P-trap. Make sure nothing's going on down there. and tighten this. Yeah, there we go. Good as gold. I think now we just we do a test run. I'll probably run a washing machine load, like with a couple things in it, see if it drains, and we should be good to go. Realistically, I just need to do a quick wash, light, nothing major. Now we wait and find out. Let's see. So now that it's filling up, we have to make sure that it usually does fill up into both sinks, obviously. But in this case, we have to make sure that in a couple minutes it drains. Otherwise, when it does the final, like, you know, drain and spin, and it like kind of rinses everything out, you know, because it gets rid of the dirty water, and then it rinses everything and drains everything out. So we have to make sure that hopefully the sinks are draining. So it looks kind of good. It looks like it's doing that, thankfully. And I could see it going down to the middle of the drain, so we're looking good. We'll see. So as you can see, the holes are clear and the sinks are empty. That's just the shadows. And looks good to me. It's not that bad. It means we did it. The nice thing with water is, you know, if you're replacing seals and stuff and water leaks, it's got to be tighter, or there's something, you know, not going on right with the seal. And if there's something blocking, water won't go. But if water goes, nothing's blocking. So that's nice. It's rocket science. So in this case, everything just kind of needed to be pushed. In the future, for myself and others, make sure to always unclog it as best as you can. Unclog it as soon as you can. I strongly recommend getting one of these snakes on a drill. They go on the end of one of your drills here, like mine. It just, you saw, it makes it way easier, way cleaner, and less messy. And it gets the job done pretty quick. So I appreciate the support. I appreciate the love. Subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.